There's a saying. They, whomever they is, say to never drill holes in your boat. I guess I missed that one. Alright, looking at my through hole, or drain hole, I guess it's a through hole. Every time I wash my boat, it fills up. Well, this is the first time I've washed it, but it rained the past few days, and it's been filling up with water. So that's where the through hole is for the drain. And I've been having to manually pump this stuff out. Let me get up under the boat and show you from the bottom from the hole. Hold on a second. Okay. And where is it? Here we are. Our through hole. Looks like I could maybe get... I have an impact drill. I'm gonna try that at first. I mean, this doesn't even look like... Sorry y'all, this is difficult. There we go. I don't know. I really don't want to just like, I really want to utilize the hole here. Maybe just cut a bigger one is one option. Just scrap this and just cut around it. Or try to get this off. I haven't tried the impact drill yet. I'm gonna try that. But check it out. Where is it? Right here. So that's an actual through hole, and that's where the sink is. That's the drain for the sink in the cabin. That one looks great. This one looks like doo-doo. Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to show you all the situation I'm dealing with my garboard and the through hole. I'm not sure if this is an actual through hole or a drain plug, but it's called a garboard drain plug. The original one that's here on the boat it's completely stuck. I can't get it out. Let me turn around here. What's going on? So here we are. I drilled, I used a 1/2-inch drill bit. That's the biggest drill bit that I have here with me. Drilled it with this guy. This thing worked great, man. But the biggest drill bit I have is a 1/2-inch. And then I ordered some of these internal pipe wrenches. These are really cool. I've actually never used these before. I didn't even know they existed. But what you do is these go in there, right? And then they tighten up, and then you twist them. I used one of these bad boys. And so you can get them out like this. And this one, this is the smallest one I have. It just keeps slipping. It's not, that thing is in there, man. It is not coming out. This did not work. My internal pipe wrench idea did not work. I'm gonna have to cut around this whole thing and just cut it out and get a whole new garboard plug piece. I don't know. It all depends on, I need to research what size hole I want to make this, what I can replace it with, all that good stuff. I don't want to just start cutting holes and then, yeah, you want to do it the right way. Man, it's always the smallest things that become the biggest pain in the ass, I swear. But yeah, that's what we're dealing with right now. I don't know why that is. But anyways, until next segment. Alright, update on my garboard plug / through hole. I didn't replace it, but check this out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the solution to all of my agonizing and debilitating, mentally compromising problem with this garboard plug right here. This very simple 1/2 inch rubber plug. So what happens is, she just fits right into there. You twist her, and you make sure it's nice and tight in there, and we are good to go. I just fixed this very, very inexpensively, but I am kind of proud of my thinking on this one. It works great. I will replace that at some point, but right now, on to the next. It's time to clean up the floorboards. I'm removing them from the boat so I can prep for sanding and then varnish. Looks like I got some more shop vacuum to do. Check it out, just getting the floorboards all sanded down, and then I'm to be revarnishing. Just check it out. Let's varnish. Alright. Just checking out some of this wood trim. I'm gonna start taking some of this wood trim off and sanding and revarnishing. We've got some chips here. We gotta get that covered up, get this all fixed up. I'm using a Rust-Oleum marine coating spar varnish for pretty much everything that needed it. I made this little rack that I'm attaching and found that it's perfect for holding beverages and other various items. What do you think, huh? Not the best, but certainly not the worst either. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for episode 5, where we have a look at our sails and finally raise them for the very first time. Until next time, peace and love, y'all.